All right, quick video here, guys. We got 15 minutes. We got to make it to a championship basketball game, but the man had to put the brand new throttle body spacer up here. Guaranteed to make your truck faster. By how much we don't know, but guaranteed to be faster. This is Brandon. It's his idea to try to fit it in 15 minutes. Let's see, can he make it work?
Come over here and pop the hood. Like, we got this.
Coyote. You put this spacer on your Coyote and it's guaranteed to hurt the Ecoboost feelings.
They say it turns into a wolf. We'll find out.
All right, he fumbling with it. I'm gonna bring y'all back when he done with this. All right, tell the people what size it is, wrench they gonna need here.
8mm.
12 point, 6 point, what do they need? 6 point, I reckon. Don't even need a swivel, right?
No.
Okay, cool. Now we don't want to see all y'all with the Ecoboost down there crying in the comments talking about how much faster y'all will be than this, but anybody around the 757 area, y'all can get the smoke you want it. We done asked the man and he said for sure, no doubt about it, this throttle body spacer was gonna make this faster.
Better fuel economy.
You just got to pop your 4 bolts out there.
After this install, we're going to see if she can line up against the old 5.3 over there. See if she will win now.
Oh, the 5.3. Looking for smoke?
With the throttle body spacer, it will probably win. It's going to win now. It didn't win before.
Man said he's looking for smoke. You got him? You got him covered after it? Okay, there we go. Y'all heard it here, folks.
Taking him to Mexico after this.
Ooh. Got some oil in there?
And make it run a little better.
Cancel that
Upper cylinder lubricant.
We need no instructions, right?
2-stroke light.
Which way is it fixed?
Alright, you shouldn't need a gasket behind it, right?
It seems universal. Directionally speaking, I don't imagine it would matter if it's spinning left or right when it enters.
Do you think it needs a gasket behind it or in front of it?
It's got a gasket already behind it, right? Yeah, it's got the O-ring behind it. I think.
Yeah, I would think that'd be right.
Yeah, because you got to have something for the seal to the throttle body. Yep. You supposed to slick some RTV up there? Or don't say that. You know we don't read instructions around here. You see the paper still folded up. Ain't even got a fingerprint on it.
How's that say 11 and 14 Mustang GT bottle, throttle body?
Oh, Mustang GT. Now you know it's going to be fast. Look at here now.
He done watched this on YouTube before. You can get a 13
Let's
or 14.
see.
She fits up there, don't she?
I would even tell you need the 8mm, so you didn't have to guess the size. You just read this.
I didn't guess. I looked at this up. We already knew.
Are you going to be a part of this race afterwards?
Yeah, don't say nothing about needing any RTV. You probably be all right.
Got an O-ring.
Corey, who's winning after the throttle body spacer? Here.
The Ford right here.
Okay.
It's fastest
How do you feel about that, Mr. 5.3?
You got the Coyote, man.
Oh, he got that Coyote. Man said it. He got that Coyote. He ain't feeling confident.
Who's
Hate to
racing?
see
Who's
it.
he racing?
The 5.3.
Oh, that 5.3 about to get his ass whooped, bro. It don't want smoke.
Corey, you can't say that. You can't say that up here, man.
I forgot about the
Same
YouTube.
size these are. These are
What you,
5/16.
Corey, what you doing?
Forgot it was YouTube.
Dang.
13. Does it say what the new ones are?
I mean, I guess you can say that on YouTube, but
Your mama gonna see
your
it.
mama ain't gonna like it.
Your daddy ain't gonna like it either.
The Chevy don't stand a chance. I guess this thing.
I feel like I'm doing a horrible job of filming this. I ain't done it on my phone in a while.
I think that's a pretty substantial spacer, though.
I like the way it twists on the inside. I don't know if it'll do anything or not, but I like the way it looks.
I think with something else added it.
Yeah.
Which was the thought when I got it.
I think usually they give you a little bit more bottom end. which the Coyote could use some bottom end. Typically, from me. Well, at least seemed like they normally could anyway. I don't know, that day we had it on the draggy though. She was leaving kind of hard. Spinning the tire every time then, won't it?
Yeah.
You tried it with these tires up there? No.
Diggy's telling me it's slower on these wheels because they're heavy. I said, have you not picked up that tire on?
All right, we're gonna tighten this down and we'll be right back. All right. Throttle body's on. Intake tube going back in place. No wizardry here. Y'all can see that this is a simple install. I don't want any haters in the comments talking about we did this and that to get more performance out of it. This is a simple, you purchase the throttle body spacer.
10 minutes in the driveway with my hand tools.
10 minutes in the driveway with the hand tools, and you're making people with Ecoboost cry. And that's it. That's all it is. I mean, it was literally one socket and one screwdriver. As a matter of fact, we did it with the socket with the screwdriver too. So it's literally all with one screwdriver. You're faster than the Ecoboost. Can you hear him crying yet? All right, if you're around the area, this is what you're looking for. Don't come up crying now if you get beat, okay? What do you think, Brandon? Tell them about it.
Yep.
If they want it,
They get the smoke.
ooh, feel bad. Feel bad for them. Don't pull up, guys. Don't pull up. Got that dub.